Hey everyone! Today I want to show you some simple tricks for adding large numbers mentally. Adding big numbers can seem challenging, but with a few useful techniques, you'll be adding them in no time. Let's start with place value. Who remembers what place value means? It's the idea that each digit in a number has a value. For example, in the number 81, the 8 represents 80 and the 1, and in 45, the 4 represents 40 and the 5 represents 5. Using place value, let's add 81 and 45 together. Break 81 down. 80 plus 1 is 81. Break 45 down. 40 plus 5 is 45 down. So now we have 80 plus 40 is 120. And 1 plus 5 is 6. Put it together. 120 plus 6 is 126. Pretty cool, right? This works for any large numbers. Just break them down into their place values. Add the tens together and the ones together and combine. I hope these tricks help make adding larger numbers more fun and easier to do in your head. Let me know if you have any other questions. Subscribe to see more math tricks and skills.